in order for you to capture international clients, I have several online platforms to suggest to you. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can do your drop servicing business without any website. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So many people have this false assumption that they need to have a website in order for them to start doing this drop servicing business. When I first started, I do not have any website at all. I always start my online business riding on online platforms, and I like to use free resources whenever possible because I need to test out my products and services. So what platforms do I use? I get this asked a lot of times. I made a video over here and I suggested 3 free websites that you can use if you are in Singapore to promote your services. If you are in Singapore and you want to learn how to do drop servicing, you can watch this video to know more on which platforms that I often use. Personally, I do not list my services to sell on Upwork or freelancer.com because I feel that these platforms are very competitive. Even though I don't use them to promote my services, however, I do use these 2 sites to do my research and also to get more portfolio. I have a video on how I get my portfolio without any track record. I have a video over here. You can watch it if you have not done so. In order for you to get more international clients, I have a few online platforms to suggest to you. And today I'll be showing you one of the platforms that I like to use. So right now I'll be showing you on my computer screen. I'm going to show you which platform that I use, and I'm going to show you exactly how I list my items on that platform. Hi guys, so right now I'm on ebay.com and I want to show you how I list my services to sell on eBay. I'm going to teach you a shortcut on how I list my services fast and easy because I don't go to the normal way whereby you need to create a template, which is quite tedious, quite troublesome. So mine, I have a shortcut for you. So what you need to do first, on this search bar, you search for video editing services or whatever services that you are promoting. If you are promoting logo services, so you need to type here logo services, alright? So what you need to do now is to find a similar listing that is similar to your service. So I found this video editing and post-production services, which is very similar to mine. I'm going to click on it. Below the picture, there will have this tab here where you can sell now. So this is like if you have a similar listing to sell, you can just sell here. Click. So this is a shortcut for you to create a listing. So now we are on the create a listing page, and the title, you can put your title, and I like to put this as so this sounds good to me, video editing and post-production services. Sounds good to me. I'll just keep it as it is. And the one thing I want you to take note of is the category. So make sure that you list your services to sell on the right category. So this will be under specialty services, media editing and duplication, and photo and video. So this is the exact category that I'm going to put on because on eBay, it has thousands of categories and we want your clients to find you easily, so you need to list it on the right category. Alright, then the rest you need to just leave it as it is. You don't need to add a second category or store category. Alright, condition, there's no condition because this is not a physical item. Condition or description also you can leave it blank. So for photos wise, just put your photos of your listing. So I have it here. I'm going to put this one, my professional video editor, and this. So you can put as many as you want. Okay, so in order for people to see your main photo, you need to put your main photo on this column over here, on this box over here. Okay, so if you want this photo to be on as a main photo, you just need to drag over here, and this becomes your main photo. So whenever your client are searching for your services, the first photo they will see will be this photo. But I don't want, I want this one. So yeah, so this will be my main photo. Okay, then item specifics, you can leave it. For item description, this is very important. So I have saved whatever I want to describe on my notes, and I just need to copy my description and I just paste it over here. For the selling details, the formats is a fixed price, so make sure that it's picked as fixed price and not auction style. We don't want your clients to bid for your service, so we want it to be fixed price. Alright, so the duration, leave it as good till cancelled. So until this item will be displayed on eBay as good as until it is cancelled, until you cancel it. Alright, so and also you need to tick this start my listing when I submit them. Okay, not to schedule your listing. For the price, I would put this as $80 US dollar. The quantity, alright, the quantity, most of people like to put it as many as possible, as you know, hundreds or 200 or 1000 quantity, but I do not do it. I keep it as one quantity. Why? This is actually related to the algorithm of eBay suggesting your listing. Okay, so every time whenever you have sold your service or your product, when you release it, your item will be automatically bumped up. Okay, bumped up. So that's why I like to keep it as one. You may also keep it at 2 or 3, just as long as you keep it below 5 is fine. Okay, but I like to keep it as 1 so that whenever I sell it, I can always get to release it, and my services and my listing will be bumped up and more people can see my item for that day. So you can leave private listing, make a donation, all this you can leave it. So payment options, I like to put it as PayPal. Okay, I will tick the PayPal. Sales tax, there's no tax involved. Domestic shipping, okay, even though we do not ship this item out, but we do have order fulfillment, right? And it takes time also, so I suggest that you include this in. So domestic shipping, you just take this flat same cost to all buyers. Basically we do not charge any shipping fees because there's no shipping fees, right? And for the service, for the shipping options, I like to keep it as 1 to 3 business days. This is the expedite shipping, because my services, I can complete the video editing service usually within 1 to 3 days. Okay, for the algorithm sake, we keep it as fast as possible. And also because most of my suppliers, I mean my freelancers, they also manage to deliver their job within this stipulated time. So I will put it at 1 to 3 days. And the cost for shipping, you need to take the free shipping because there's no shipping, so it's 0. And the handling time, I like to keep it as 1 business day. Just 1 business day. So this is the handling time. We do not need so much time to process the order. So that's why as long as I fulfill my order within 4 days, okay, 1 business day plus 3 business days, so it's total of 4 days. And my eBay account will look nice. Okay, will look good and with good standing. Okay, my account will have a good standing because I always fulfill within 4 days. So this is for the sake of eBay algorithm. Alright, so that your store can rank higher. I will have more tutorial on eBay itself. If you are interested, then let me know in the comments below if you want to grow your eBay store, especially in terms of selling services. Alright, this is very important because we are selling to global clients, and this international shipping, you definitely need to tick it. Okay, tick this, sell internationally. Alright, you can ignore the package weight, there's no package involved. For exclude shipping locations, you can edit the list because we want to ship it everywhere, like Southeast Asia, everywhere, Middle East, Asia, Africa. All these are our potential clients. We basically need to untick all of this because of my setting, because I'm also selling things on eBay, which is the physical items, and I only ship to certain countries, so that's why I tick all this. These are like the pre-settings. Alright, those are the fixed settings that I've made. Clear all selections, and that's it. And when I untick all this, when I don't exclude any locations, my services will be shown to more people. Alright, so that's it. So that's the last setting that you need to set. And After that, you just need to list your item. To agree to this, because this one, by listing in this category, you acknowledge that you are selling service, which is indeed we are selling services, right? So you just need to agree to this and continue listing. Okay, so success, you have listed your item for sale. You just need to click here to review your listing. So everything looks good and everything, so you just need to wait for people to inquire about your service. Yep, and that's it. So eBay is one of my favorite places to list my product and services to sell. This coming Friday, I'm going to show you another platform that I have discovered and I'm loving it. So this platform is pretty new, so do stay tuned for my Friday's video. That's all for today. I hope that you have learned something new, and I hope that you find this video helpful for your job servicing journey. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you this Friday. Bye bye.